Today's topic is length, and by length, we mean that it is basically the measurement or extent of something from end to end. For an example, this is something, there are 2 points. So, the distance between these 2 points from end to end is basically is what we mean by length. Now, there are different units in which we measure length, and for simplicity basis, I will take meter as a unit, and more than meter we have got a lot of other units as well, multiples and submultiples. If I consider meter as a unit, so the multiples are the units which are greater than meter. That is, for an example, the decameter that we write as dam. Then we have got hectometer, we write as hm. Then we have got kilometer that we write as km. Right now we are going to discuss about kilometer, meter, and some of its submultiples. Submultiples consist of DCM, that is decameter, deximeter. Then we have got centimeter that we write as cm, and millimeter that we write as mm. So we are going to discuss about the units that I am circling right now. So see, we have got meter, we have got its multiple as kilometer, and we have got decimeter, we have got centimeter, and finally we have got millimeter. Now there are two ways in which we do it. The first is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So what we mean to say is we have to multiply it by 1000. So basically, if we multiply 1 meter with 1000, we get kilometer. So 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Again, the other way around over here, meter to decimeter, if I see, then it is basically multiply by 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Centimeter to mm, multiply by 10. And for the other way around, that is mm to centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. Again, centimeter to decimeter, we have to divide it by 10. Again, centimeter to mm, we have to divide it by 10. Similarly, over here, from meter to kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so there are several things. If we have to convert mm to meter, then it will be, of course, 1, 2, 3. That is 1000 divided by 1000. So that is how it's done. So what I simply want to say is that whenever we are converting a greater unit like kilometer and meter, kilometer is a greater unit. To convert a greater unit into smaller unit, we need to multiply. So kilometer to meter is multiply. But when we have to find out the greater unit from the smaller unit, then we have to divide. So it's divided by 1000, and over here it is multiplied by 1000. So this is the basic rule that we have to follow. We have to see the two units are given, and we have to see whether we have to convert the bigger unit to smaller or vice versa, that is smaller unit to greater. Now with this knowledge, we are going to apply to this sum and solve this. See, it's stated that convert into centimeter. So we have to convert into centimeter, and mm is given. Come to this list. We are given centimeter, that is this, and mm is what we need to find out, which means greater to smaller unit we have to convert. So in this case, what we have to do is we are going to write that 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, 3 mm is equal to 3 by 10 centimeter, which in decimals becomes 0.3 centimeter. Moving on to the next question, 56 mm. Again, the same step. 56 mm will be 56 divided by 10, that is 5.6 centimeter. Again, 8 centimeter 4 mm we have to convert into centimeter. So already 8 centimeter it's given in centimeters, so we don't have to do anything about it. We have to convert 4 mm first. 4 mm is 4 by 10 centimeter, which is 0.4 centimeter. So now 0.4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So we are going to write therefore 8 centimeter 4 millimeter or mm is equal to 8 plus 0.4 centimeter, that is 8.4 centimeter. That is it. Moving on to the next question, 12 centimeter 6 mm. Again, this is already in centimeters, so we don't have to do anything about it. This is what we need to convert. So 6 mm is 6 by 10 centimeter, which comes down to 0.6 centimeter. So therefore 12 centimeter 6 mm is equal to 12 is already given in centimeter plus 6 mm becomes 0.6 mm, 0.6 centimeter 6 mm means, so together it is 12.6 centimeter. That is it. Moving on to the next question, convert into decimeter. So in this case you can see, if we come to this list that we had, decimeter to meter, so this is from decimeter to meter. So to convert decimeter to meter, we have to divide it by 10. So that is the basic rule. So let's move to this. Now we have got 1 decimeter. First we have to understand what is 1 decimeter in terms of meter, because it is from decimeter to meter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, or you can also write down as 1 by 10 meter. You can see from decimeter to meter we have to divide it by 100. So that's what we had done. So in this case, 4 decimeter is equal to 4 by 10 meter, that is 0.4 meter. That is it. Moving on to the next question, 5 centimeter. Now centimeter we have to convert it into meter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. How do we find it out? See this. We have got centimeter and here we have got meter. So from centimeter to meter there is 1 0, another 0. So it is divided by 100. So that is how we have got it. Now let's get back to the question. We've got 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 by 100 meter, which is 0.05 meter. That's it. Moving on to the next question, 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter will be 12 by 100 meter, which is 0.12 meter. Moving on to the next question. 554 centimeter. So 554 centimeter is equal to 554 by 100 meter is equal to 5.54 meter. That is it. Next we have got 5 meter 1 decimeter. So 5 meter is already given in meter. What we need to do is we have to convert decimeter to meter. So we know that 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. Therefore 5 meter 1 decimeter is equal to, this will be 5 as it is, and this will be 0.1 meter. So together it is written as 5.1 meter. That is it. Moving on to the next question. 18 meter 7 centimeter. Again 18 meter is already converted. We have to only convert 7 centimeter. So we know 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So 7 centimeter is equal to 7 by 100 meter. So this is 0.07 meter. So therefore 18 meter 7 centimeter is equal to 18 plus 0.07 meter, which is 18.07 meter. That is it. Moving on to the next question. 9 meter 19 centimeter. So again meter, 9 meter is already as it is, 19 centimeter we need to convert. So 19 centimeter is equal to 19 by 100 meter, which is 0.19 meter. Therefore 9 meter 19 centimeter is equal to 9 plus 0.19 meter, that is 9.19 meter. That is it. Moving on to the next question. 2 meter and 1 decimeter. So again 2 meter is already converted. 1 decimeter we need to convert. So 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. Therefore 2 meter 1 decimeter is equal to 2 plus 0.1 meter, which is 2.1 meter. Moving on to the next question. Convert into kilometer. So let's get back to the list that we had. So you have to convert meter to kilometer. So it's simple. From meter to kilometer, C divided by 1000. So it is that simple. So let's get back to the sum. So it's meter to kilometer. We know 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore 4 meter will be 4 by 1000 kilometer. Simple, convert it into decimal. So there are 3 zeros, so 3 decimal places. So 0.00 and 4 kilometer. That's it. This will be the answer. This is kilometer, km. Moving on to the next question. 40 meter. So simply 40 meter is equal to 40 by 1000 kilometer, which is 0.040 kilometer. You may also cancel this out and only write 0.04 kilometer. It's the same thing, no difference. Moving on to the next question, 76 meter. So 76 meter will be is equal to 76 by 1000 kilometer. So this is 0.076 kilometer. That's it. Moving on to the next question, 952 meter. So 952 meter is equal to 952 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.952 kilometer. Moving on to the next question, 4 kilometer, 3 meter. 4 kilometers already converted, only convert the 3 meter. So we know 3 meter is equal to 3 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.003 kilometer. So therefore 4 kilometer 3 meter will be equal to 4 plus 0.003 kilometer, which is equal to 4.003 kilometer after adding. That is it. Moving on to the next question, 18 kilometer 159 meter. Once again, this is already converted, only convert this part, 159 meter. So 159 meter is equal to 159 by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.159 kilometer. So 18 kilometer 159 meter is equal to 18 plus 0.159 kilometer, which is equal to 18.159 kilometer. That is it. Moving on to the next question, 7 kilometer 49 meter. Again, this is kilometer already, so we only have to convert this 49 meter. So 49 meter is equal to 49 by 1000 kilometer, which is 0.049 kilometer, and therefore 7 kilometer 49 meter is equal to 7 plus 0.049 kilometer, and if we add it, we get 7.049 kilometer. That is it. Moving on to the next question. Now we have got 17,500 decimeter. So decimeter, if you have to convert into kilometer, let's get back to this list. We are here in decimeter and we have to convert it into kilometer. This decimeter to kilometer. So you can see it is 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. So it will be divided by 10,000. So let's do it. So we know 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 1000, 10,000 kilometer. Therefore 17,500 decimeter is equal to 17,500 divided by 10,000. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So 4 decimal places, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So insert a decimal point here. So my answer will be 1.7500 kilometer. Or you can also write it as 1.75, omitting the zeros at the end because it doesn't really make any difference. So that is it. Summing up the whole thing, I would like to repeat myself by saying that whenever we are converting a unit to its submultiples, that is smaller units, then always multiply. And for attaining its multiple units, that is greater unit, we have to multiply the number by as many differences that we have. That is it.